Yo, 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 it is your favorite wellness coach, Coach Show. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel here at Show Knows Wellness, where we are all about 30-minute meals and 30-minute fitness, because ain't no mama got time for no kitchen or no gym. Okay, you guys, today I have a much asked for recipe for you all. It's a crock pot recipe. It takes about 10 minutes to prepare, and it is so good. Okay, so today we are going to be making a lemon butter garlic herb chicken thigh. Did you get it? That was a lot. Lemon butter garlic herb chicken thigh recipe. Okay, it is divine, it is delicious, it is simple, and you need to put this recipe on your menu next week. Like, go to the store today, get the ingredients, and get this on the menu ASAP. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, the ingredients list. So mostly what you're going to need is seasonings. All right, so we'll start with that. So I have pink Himalayan salt right here. So you will need salt. It don't have to be pink Himalayan, it can be regular salt. Okay, black ground pepper, paprika. Okay, you'll need paprika, onion powder, crushed red pepper flakes. Now this I got from Target. It's called garlic and herb seasoning blend. I absolutely love it. So you can use this. If you don't have this, it's okay. You can use an Italian seasoning in its place. So you need this or Italian, okay? All right, that's it for the seasonings. Then you're also going to need minced garlic. Of course, you can do fresh minced garlic, but I don't usually do fresh minced garlic, just to keep it all the way real. You will need 1 lemon. You will need 1/3 cup of chicken broth or water, okay? Chicken broth or water. So if you have chicken broth, use it. If you don't have chicken broth, you don't have to worry about it. You can use water. And then lastly, you're going to need butter or ghee, okay? I'm using ghee. That's what we eat in my household. Ghee is a clarified butter. So it's butter without lactose or dairy, and it tastes just like butter. It's actually very buttery. That is it, you guys, for your ingredients. Oh, I forgot the start of the show. Of course, you need chicken thighs. You need boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And that's all you need, and we'll get this party started. So you guys, right here, we have our crock pot, okay? Have our crock pot, and I have already cleaned my boneless, skinless chicken thighs and put them in here. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chicken thighs in here, okay? You can do less if you have a smaller crock pot, but this is about what I do every time I make this recipe. Let's get it. So you are going to need a teaspoon, and we're going to start with our seasoning. So I'm not going to use the teaspoon just yet. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my salt and I'm going to season my chicken, okay? And you just want to listen for the gods, okay? Listen to them tell you how much salt to put and when to stop, all right? I really don't measure salt and pepper or garlic powder most of the time, okay? So I've seasoned it with salt. Next, I'm going to season it with black pepper. Next, I'm simply going to stir up my chicken so I can get salt and pepper all over my chicken thighs. I don't want to leave the bottom of the chicken bland, okay? I want every piece of chicken to have some salt and pepper on it, okay? And I turned it over, so I'm just gonna throw a little bit more salt just to make sure that backside got some salt and pepper as well. All right, and we are good there. Okay, next step, you are going to take your chicken broth or your water, and you are going to squeeze lemon juice into it. Do I not have a smaller knife than this? So you simply want to cut your lemon down the middle, okay? And you have your cup with your water or your chicken broth, and you're simply going to squeeze lemon juice, okay? And with lemon juice, you want to squeeze it from every angle. All right, I think we got all of the juice out of that one. We're going to take our other half of a lemon and do the same thing. So, whoa. Squeeze, turn it, and squeeze again. Use your muscles. All righty. Now that you have your water or your chicken broth with your lemon juice, you're going to pour this mixture over your chicken. Okay. Next, we are going to mix our seasonings in a small bowl. Okay, so we are done with salt. Okay, we're not adding any more salt. We are going to do 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay. We are going to do 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We are going to do 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. They are spicy. If you like it spicy, feel free to add a whole teaspoon. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon there. And then with our Italian seasoning or our garlic and herb, we're actually going to do 2 teaspoons. Okay, so 1 and 2 teaspoons. Cool beans? All right, and then you are simply just going to mix those seasonings, okay? Mix those seasonings really good. And then you are going to dump those seasonings onto the chicken. Make sure you spread your seasonings out really well, okay? Every piece of chicken gets seasoned. All gone. All right, last 2 steps. You're gonna get 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Okay, you're gonna put it just anywhere really. I like to put it inside of my juice. Okay. And then your last step is to add your butter or your ghee. If you are using butter, right here you want to dice your butter and you want to dice up 1/2 stick. So 1/2 stick is about that much. You want to dice that 1/2 stick up and put it into your crock pot, okay? If you are using ghee, you want to get about 4 tablespoons of ghee and pour it over your chicken in your crock pot, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You guys, that's it. That's it. You're done. You leave it to cook and it will be smelling delicious in just a few minutes, and it will be tasting delicious in just a few hours on your plate. So you can cook these chicken thighs on high for 3 to 4 hours, or you can cook them on low for 6 to 8 hours. I always end up cooking them on high because I always be in a hurry because I always wait too late to get started, right? But this recipe is so delicious. Please, 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 please try it. I will come back and show you pictures of how it turns out. It is divine, you guys. Try it and let me know what you think, okay? Thank you so, so much again for coming back to my channel here at Show Knows Wellness. We're all about 30-minute meals and 30-minute fitness. We ain't got time for no kitchen. We ain't got time for no gym. Please do not forget to like this video, comment below, let me know what you think about these chicken thighs, please, after you make them, okay? And do not forget to click that subscribe button right here. I'll see you guys next Friday. It's your favorite wellness coach, Coach Show. Peace.